I'm Lisa from TRW and I love Christmas. So what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be making a customized Santa sack bag. Now these are a really great item to make for Christmas time because these bags come pre-printed. I get mine from Craft Chameleon. Check out the link below. There's tons of different designs and patterns, and I'm going to be using Caesar EasyWeed Electric for that name. And then, you know what? I like my dog just as much as I like little kids, so we're also going to be making a cute little dog Santa sack bag too. It says Treats for Lacey, Love Santa Paws, and this is using the same EasyWeed electric vinyl as well as Caesar EasyWeed in black. So if you want to see what I did for these projects, then go ahead and keep on watching. Here is my Santa sack. I love these bags because they are nice and smooth and they have all of this cute little Santa information printed on them. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you'll know I get a majority of my blanks like this from Craft Chameleon. I'll link it below. I really love their stuff, and I think that these are a really great quality for a good price too. So the cool thing is all you have to do is cut out a name. It's a great thing that you can do in bulk or use your scrap material. So I am using Caesar Electric in red, and I am using our new TRW Flutter font. So I set up my name to be about 2 inches tall. That way it fits in really nicely in here. So I just set it up right there, and it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go ahead, take my cover sheet, cover up my bag, and we're going to press this. My press is set to 305 degrees, and I'm going to press it for 15 seconds. All right, my press is complete. Let's move my cover sheet. Now I can go ahead, lift up my carrier, and pretty straightforward. We have that nice metallic look with this name. So I love using the electric vinyl for these because it's not super glittery, so you can use it for boys and girls, and no one will think they have too sparkly of a bag. So that is our first bag. I'm going to jump over and get the materials, and now we're going to do our second one. Okay, so now we have a smaller bag, really cute. It's like a 5x6 because we're going to be making a little dog one, which I think is super cute. So I have 2 colors set up. I have Caesar EasyWeed in black, and then I have the EasyWeed Electric in red again. So I've set up the file for this little hat to have this red go right on top. So because of that, we need to press our black first. So I'm going to go ahead, take this, I'm going to bring this down. I'm just doing this to pre-press. This bag in particular had some moisture and wrinkles on it, so I want to just double check it. All right, so we're going to put this over here. So this is going to be the Treats for Little Dog from Santa Paws, which I think is really cute. So now because we're doing multiple colors, we're going to tack down our first color for a couple seconds and then do our second one. So this prevents our vinyl from getting too much heat on it for too long. That's how you get shrinking and just not the desired result you want. So I literally just closed it for a couple seconds. I'm going to slowly lift just to make sure I have it down. All right, so there's my first layer. Now that doesn't mean you can do all your presses for a couple seconds. They won't stay, but when we're tacking down colors, it's a good method to use. So we're going to go ahead, set up our design. So this little circle's made to go around our design. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of like rotating it as I go to find the exact placement. I set up my design to have just a little border, so I have to just make sure I'm really lining it up nicely. And this Lacey, that is, I'm using the new Candy Cane font that we have on our website. I'm going to link that below. So because my carrier goes between my letters here, I'm still going to tack this for a couple seconds. The reason being is I don't want a carrier mark in the middle of my words. That'll leave a dent in it. So we're just going to go ahead, drop this down, peel it up, and now I'm just going to cover this and finish off my press. I'm going to do about 12 seconds. All right, so we're going to lift it up. And we have this cute little bag for treats for my cute little puppy Lacey for Christmas. So that's it, guys. Easy bag. This is something you can knock out pretty quickly, and you can do a lot if you have orders, stuff like that. And then I think that this is just a cute little creative idea I love it. I think it looks really good with the electric, and I think it's a cute use of the candy cane font we have on our website. So go ahead, check out the link in the description below to figure out where you can get these bags, and also if you want to get this candy cane font. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, and of course, a lot more Christmas craft videos are coming out soon, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and if you think the little dog treat bags are a good idea or a bad idea.